So today I'm going to show you how to find your assignments in Google Classroom. You are in your home page where all your classes will show up. If you click on the class that you want, it will bring you to the class home page. So the title of your class will be at the top. And then you're going to look at the top bar where it says Stream, Classwork, and People. You are going to make sure you click where it says Classwork. This is going to bring you to all of your assignments that are listed by your teacher. It could be organized by your unit. It could be organized by week or date. It's completely up to the teacher, but this is where you will find everything. If you look to the left side of your screen on the sidebar right here, which is underneath the class name, you will see the different topics. You can sort your assignments based on topic, or you can have all of them listing, but all of your assignments will be listed under classwork. If you go back to your class homepage, you will see right under your title of the class, to the left where it says upcoming, you have a list of assignments. If you click view all, that's going to bring you to another way you can see all of your assignments listed. You will also notice on the left side of your screen, you will see different categories for your assignments. So all, any assignments that are just assigned, any assignments that were returned and graded by your teacher, and then any assignments that are missing will be under this part. If you go back to your class homepage, you will notice that you have a little icon and a to-do. Click that, and that will bring you to a very similar page that lists out all of your assignments. So here are all your assigned assignments. This has an assignment or a due date due this week. This one has no date. Then you can go to the top of your screen and notice the different categories. There's 3 here. So here's your missing. It'll be in red what you have to complete, and it's past the due date. And then your assignments that are complete. And that's it.